In this video, we are going to learn how to use Claude Code for free using OpenRouter. This is 100% legal method and I'll guide you step by step from setup to running your first prompt. So even if you are a beginner or senior, so you can follow along. So let's get started. First of all, move to the Claude Code website and move to the quick start page. So after moving there, come down and to the first section which is install Claude Code. So to install Cloud Code, if you are using Mac or Linux, so use this command. If you are using Windows PowerShell, use this command. And for Windows CMD, use this command. We will use PowerShell. So we will copy this command. Let's copy this command and open PowerShell. So after opening the PowerShell, right click and it will paste that command and press enter so it will install Cloud Code on your machine. So I have already installed. So to verify the installation, simply write Cloud help. So you will see a list of commands. It means the Cloud Code installed correctly. So let's clear this. So after clearing this and you have installed the Cloud Code, now we need to use it with OpenRouter. So OpenRouter provides us the API models, API keys for different models, free and paid models. So it has a big list of models. So let's come to the models and I will show you there are lots of models that you can use. There are free and paid models. So you can select one of them. If you would like to pay, so simply pay for OpenRouter. If you would like to use free, so there are a lot of models which are free. Simply search here free and you will see the list of free models. Look at very good and top models you can see like Tencent High 3, Nvidia Nemotron 3 Super free and lots of models like Minimax M2.5, one of the best model, and you can see all these free models. So first of all, to use and get the API key from this OpenRouter website, you need API key. So for the API key, you need to have your account. I have already created my account inside this website. So you should create your account. After creating your account, here simply you can press get API key or you can move to the dashboard. Click on workspace and here you can come to the API keys and you can generate your own key. So let's create a new one. So I will press create key dot code, very simple like this. So the expiration or whatever else you would like to apply the setting, just check that and let's press create. I will select it for 1 hour. So it will expire after 1 hour. Press create. So after creating, please copy this key because later you cannot copy it. So simply copy this key and store it somewhere. So I will store it on a notepad file. I have stored that on a notepad file. So after storing that key, now we would like to use it Cloud Code with OpenRouter. Simply let's search in Google Cloud with OpenRouter. Simply search this. So you will see OpenRouter integration with Cloud Code, or you can search OpenRouter with Cloud. Open this first website. After opening the first website, come down to the quick start section and here this is the installation we have already installed. In the step 2 is to connect Cloud to OpenRouter. So to connect it, here it has the requirements. So first of all, we will use this base URL. It means we need to use this project setting. Just come here to this project here. This is the shell profile, but we will come to the project setting. So copy this environment variables, these. Hit this, copy these. After copying these, where you would like to store these. So for that, simply move to C drive. Come here to the C drive. If you are using Mac, then move wherever you install that. So in C drive, we will move to the users, come to the username and come to the .clad. Find this clad folder on Windows and on Mac also. Same, the process is same, but on Mac you can find this .clad folder. If that was hidden, you can move and display all the hidden files also. So after coming to the .clad folder, and here you will see this setting.json file. So let's double click this and open it in an editor like Visual Studio Code. Simply always let's open this. So after opening this, we will clear this setting, clear all these and paste the code you copied, these environment variables. So after copying these, now we need to use the base URL. The base URL is the default, that is okay. OpenRouter.ai/API. But for the Anthropic, for this Anthropic auth token, for the auth token, we will use the key that we copied from OpenRouter. So I have copied my key. I will paste that there. Let's copy this and paste that key here. So after pasting this key, now come to the that was auth token. We will leave this Anthropic API key empty and comma. And here instead of model, we will just write, or instead of using model, we will just specify instead of Opus and Sonnet and Heiko. This is for Opus, and we will use the same for Sonnet and Heiko also. Which models you want to use the default model instead of these models. The default model, whenever you open Claude Code, that will be Sonnet. Okay. So instead of these default model, we will change them. We will swap them for other models that we have copied from OpenRouter. So let's copy the name of models. It means whenever it is calling, so it will not move to the Sonnet or Heiko or Opus. So it will call the this base URL in that model that we copied. So let's copy the model name. Simply come here to the OpenRouter and we will move to the models. After moving to the models, let's simply search here for pre-models. So here we have lots of models. So let's copy one of them like Minimax M2.5 for programming. So let's copy the name of this. You can see the copy button. Let's copy this and store that here. Instead of default Opus, we will use this model. If you want to use other model instead of Sonnet, so you can copy someone else like NVIDIA, this 3 Super. Let's copy this one, and also for the Hiko we would like to use this. That's it. Store it and save it. That is the setting that you need. Now we would like to use it. So to use it, I will again come here to the PowerShell. The PowerShell is open inside this Kimi folder. So simply write here Claude, or we can close it once and open it once again. So I am inside Kimi folder, right click and open in terminal. So it will open PowerShell. Simply write here Claude and press enter. You will see now the interface of Claude Code. So let's right now the default model is NVIDIA because the default model is Sonnet. So instead of Sonnet, we would like to use this NVIDIA. Imatron 3 Super. That's it. Now let's simply ask from it. If we faced any error, so I will show you how to solve that error. So simply I have internet connection issue. I will solve. I have solved the internet connection. So let's once again ask from this. So you can see that hello, how can I assist you? You can change the model also simply slash model. Come here and you can choose, look at the Minimax uh, M2.7 free one. So you can choose this one or which model you would like. So you can select that like right now. Yes, switch that like Minimax M2.5. Simply we can ask from this which model is this. So let's wait for the response. So look at the response. The model Minimax M2.7 is from Minimax, a Chinese AI company. Minimax M2.7 is their flagship multi-model large language model. So you can see the response. You can use it for creating your projects for free and just fix bugs, whatever you want. So it was all about to use Claude Code with OpenRouter. If you faced any issue, any error, please leave a comment and also hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.